Hello there, guys. Welcome back. Don't worry, we've not given up on the channel. Pardon me. We've had was it 3-4 heat waves now in the UK, so it's made things a bit challenging for recording. But we are back. We thought we'd give you a little sneak peek. We've just brought this bundle of electronic stuff. Thought we'd just start doing stuff a little bit different, so it wasn't just consoles. So we picked this up for £27 on eBay. Let's get into it and have a look, see what we've got. Very well packaged. So this is meant to be like liquidated stock from like customer returns. So not 100% sure exactly what's in here or what the condition of any of it is, but that's all the fun on the channel. Working out what's wrong with items, trying to see if we can fix them. In the case of Xboxes, Xbox One, I'm in much luck with at the moment. But hey, we are learning as we go. Right, we are in. So once we get rid of the loose bits of cardboard. Okay, so there is an electronic guard dog. Okay. That actually seems to work. It's all right, Rox. That was a fake version of you. Okay, well that actually seems to work fine. So there's seemingly nothing wrong with that. It's fine, Roxy. As you can tell, we don't plan these videos in advance. Otherwise, we would have probably made sure that the real dog wasn't around for the fake dog. Well, what else have we got? Oh, okay, so this is like a Wi-Fi power line extender. It's seen better days, a few scratches and whatnot on it, and a bit of tape stuck to it, but I have no idea if it's going to be working or not. It's lighting up, but we can't, unless we add a second one, which I don't know if there's going to be a second one in the box, we can't really do a whole lot with that at the moment. There is that's some form of sort of almost like a fader switch from like a DJ deck or something like that. Not 100% sure what that's for at present. Hutchinson Telecom, manufactured by Philips. Oh, this might actually be an actual pager. No, it's got no batteries in it at the moment. We'll get some batteries in that and we'll give that a little test, see what's up with that. What one do they? I think this is AAA's. Yeah, there's 2 AAA's on this one. Oh, we have a TomTom. Oh, in a rather tight fitting case. It's got no SD card in it, and we've got no power on that at the moment, but we will get that. We'll find a power cable for that, and we can give that a go. That fits in that very tight case. There's no zip on the case, but that's not really something to worry about too much. This is some sort of, this is a An old dock for a BlackBerry. We've got an antenna for something or other. Then we have another dock. The foot on that's moved. This is a Kadigi. It does actually have a position on the bottom for writing the model number and the serial number, but they haven't put anything on it. But that's again some sort of, maybe that's another BlackBerry thing. I'm not too sure. Okay, this is actually quite interesting. Just one. Someone's cut the plug off. But this is actually a transformer for converting between UK detecting 230 volts, and then it actually outputs at 110 volts AC. It's a step down transformer. That could be useful for some of the bits we get from Japan, so I continue blowing them up. What else have we got in here? We've got an Arnova 7G2 tablet. Again, it's got no power on it at the moment. Oh, actually, or is it? No, I don't know if that's just. No, there's no power on it at the moment. I'm not sure what power that one takes. Oh, okay, that takes like a Kindle style cable, so we shall let's give that a go for another point. I don't think this case is really meant for this particular tablet. It looks like it's just one of the sort of universal tablet cases. That could be quite interesting to have a little play around with. Oh, Michaela has grabbed some AAA batteries, so let's give this pager a try. Oh, well, I would say that's working. So yeah, you can actually type messages on this and send messages around. Oh, if we put it on vibrate mode. So that seems to be working fine, that pager. Nothing wrong with that. Unusual. What else do we have in here? Franklin Computers Spellmaster. Again, no batteries in this one. This is 4 AAAs for this one. Don't know if we've got that many. This is a Spellmaster QE103. Oh, what else have we got in here? Oh, we've got a whole bag of little goodies here. We've got a remote control for a smart converter. How's this? This is a polycal, apparently. This takes 2 little button cells. I know we won't have any of those in stock at the moment. But it looks like it's some sort of clock and a stopwatch function built in. We've got a 3. I think this is probably going to be one of those. Once you put a SIM card in. Yeah, you put a SIM card in and it gives you mobile Wi-Fi. And that might be useful at some point. And we've also got another one from 3. We've got a remote control for some sort of RGB setup. I don't know what half of this stuff is. Looks like it's all a kit for something or other. Accessories to go with something. That says BT on it. It's got a speaker on the back. Takes another couple of button cells. No battery cover for that, unfortunately. So I'm not 100% sure what that does. Little multilingual translator. Again, no batteries for that at the moment. Oh no, there is actually a battery on it. It's a CR2025, but it feels like that battery is that battery's a little bit inflated, so we might have to put a different battery in that. We can then give that a try. we've got a little rather disgusting Bluetooth headset. That would need a bloody good clean before it goes anywhere near anybody's ear, and we'd have to try and see if we could find a charger or something for it. We have 2 items left in the box. So we have this, which is a subwoofer amp system. So this is just I'm not sure if you'd probably put this with another like 2 speaker system or something, but this actually has its own IEC connector on the back and a single phono, so that can actually be used on its own if you just wanted subwoofering. Oh, there's 3 items in here. I didn't spot this one. This is some form of battery charger. The Hanel MCL 103, whatever that's for. And then last but not least, we have a tyre pressure monitoring system, which I'm not quite sure what that bit's for. Is that actually for fitting them? Oh, I see, that's the actual tool for fitting them in. Because obviously these would go instead of your valves. And then you have this, which is a solar powered display. Oh. But that's actually making squealing noises. Yeah, I was making squealing. There's nothing coming up on the display. That was making squealing noises. That is definitely a repair. So yeah, we've got quite a lot of little rando bits to give a try. Oh, my wonderful wife has actually managed to collar up 4 AAA batteries. Can't remember what one. Oh, that was for the Franklin computer, wasn't it? Let's give this a go. It does not want to fit in there very well. Oh, then we're without 3 because I lost one. I think that's quite where that one disappeared too. Yeah, no. It is still incredibly warm. Very muggy today. It's been raining non-stop all morning, and now the temperature's starting to rise up. So it's very, very. Oh, and this says it's ready for word. Franklin ready for word. Okay, apparently it makes a list, so I have no idea what that's. That seems to be working though. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just needed some batteries put in it. But yeah, let's get these tablets etc. charged up, and then we should also get this tyre pressure monitoring system onto the workbench over the next coming weeks, and we'll find out what's wrong with that. Join us next time on Second Life Electronics. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye for now.